Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd?
Today, let me introduce the most popular childproof zipper for your reference. This is the first one. And this is the second one. It is also called a double zipper. It has two zippers and tracks. All of our mylar bags can be heat sealed using most food heat sealer machines. To heat seal your childproof mylar bags, simply seal above the tear notches following the directions on your machine. This will extend the shelf life of the contents of the bag, add a layer of protection, and prevent any product damage from outside elements. And in order to save money, you also can choose this kind of childproof bag without the tear notice and zipper. It is also hard for children to open it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.
We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.